Hey guys, welcome to our midweek movers update. Meaning, hindi ko naman i-discuss lahat ng nasa watchlist natin. I'll just be discussing the movers for the past 3 days of the week. So ito, every Wednesday natin ginagawa to. But for the premium members, you get mostly all the stocks na nasa list natin. But okay, here are the movers for the week. Okay, let's start with the movers today. So, FLI, wow, okay. So, ito, okay, let's just draw this thing. Laki ng up today, okay? FLI up ng, oops. Up today with legit breakout with the big volume, okay? Okay, so ito yung sinasabi ko last week na we wanted to wait for this pullback here. So when I said you can buy it here, buy it at 1.70, 1.71, 1.72, and put your stop at 1.68. So that will, ito yung 4 cents na cut loss. So today, ano ba yung nangyari? Today, there was a big block sale executed at 1.75. So after that, 175 na block sale, biglang umakyat na siya. So I guess that's one of the signal or one of the medyo catalyst bakit umakyat ang PHEN Land. So anong block sale yun? Hindi ko alam. But parang foreign fund nagbenta ng 1.2 billion shares of PHEN Land at 1.75. And after that, it took off. So we can see the 5-minute chart here. 175 is right here. Okay? 175 was right here. And after niya mag-execute dito, ito, dire-diretso na yun up move. Nag-pause dito sa 180 area, 178, 180, and then dire-diretso na again until 188. Then yung huli, nag-193 pa. And of course, nag-try mag-stabilize first before tomorrow's move. Okay? So, that's the reason why this move today, okay? With a big volume because of that big block sale at 1.75. Okay. Next up, we have Ayala Land Logistics. Okay, so this is a channel, and we can also put a box here. Okay, and then you can notice nyo is may ADX siya 30. So yung nag-break ng 52-week high sa 3.8. This area, ang lakas ng breakout niya. Okay? Above 30, breakout, blue sky breakout, Ayala Land Logistics. Okay? Okay, but meron din tayong nakita mga stocks na umakyat tapos bumagsak, diba? So what are those stocks? ISM. Okay? Pero in fairness, malaki na rin yung inakyat niya. So this is still in an uptrend. It's above the 10-day and 20-day moving average. Tapos, ito sa taas pa. Okay? So nasa channel siya. It's in an uptrend channel. So ano meaning ng channel? Okay. So yan. Akyat lang siya. Going up. So yan yung medyo mahirap na hulihin because of the volatility also ng ISM. Chelsea Logistics naman, one of the movers because ito, nag-breakout dito sa area na to ng 7 pesos. After 7 pesos, it went all the way up to 870. 25% yun, move na yun from the breakout price, right? So, laki na rin ang inakyat niya. Okay, so that's itong natural correction ng itong nangyayari ngayon. So, ano ba yung ginawa ko? So, bumili ako dito sa continuation ng flag dahil late ko na nakita, 8.10, tapos binenta ko agad at 8.55, which is around 4% gain. Okay? So, dapat mas mabilis ako dahil late na ako pumasok. Nasa 8 na, galing tong 7. That's why I used very fast, parang nagchupit-chupit lang tayo. Okay? Up next, ano pa bang movers? We have, of course, ito, my favorite. And I will talk about this on my next vlog. Bakit ang lakas niya, right? Okay, so, nung Sunday, we talked about this. Last week, we talked about this dun sa midweek charting natin na, okay, you can buy it here at 52. Then, if you want, Monday, if you want to buy it here, just cut mo agad. So, buy 52, cut mo 51. Ganyan. So, now, it's at 60. Okay? So, yung huling sabi ko, it can easily go to 55. 56. Ngayon, today, anong ginawa niya? Today, it formed another 180 or ito bullish engulfing candle. So, what does this mean? It means that malakas yung move na tomorrow there should be a continuation to this move. Given this candle, wala pang candle na ganito na next day bumaba. Or the chances are very, very slim. After this candle, after I see this candle, a bullish engulfing candle, this is a continuation pattern going up. Okay? So, yan, bumili ako kanina. Nakita ko nag-surpass ng 60. Ay 60.5. Bumili ako. Okay? For the momentum up move for tomorrow. Okay? So, let's move on. Okay. VUL, okay, one of the movers na sinabi ko, chart of the day. Okay. So, this broke out of this consolidation. Yeah, okay. Pero kanina, kala mo, tutuloy na, nag-fake out. Okay. So, well, it's natural to do that, but momentum is also at 30. So, kanina baka na-excite lang mga tao. Tapos, ngayon pullback. So, this should be the support, 145, which is the previous breakout price. Previous breakout price should become, so yung resistance now becomes a support. Resistance becomes a support. So, the support now should be at least 145. Now, it's going there, headed there. But, possibly, pwedeng pumuntang 140 to sa 10-day MA or 20-day MA. So, ADX is still present, which is my favorite indicator. So, may chance pa nito mag-continue for the uptrend, but just not today. Or mas na-excite lang yung mga tao today. Okay? Next notable mover will be ito, concrete aggregates, which is di ko alam ano yung nangyayari. That's why tinatanong ko sa mga tao ano yung nangyayari. So, I have no clue what's happening here. Makit lang, may volume bigla. So, I don't know. That's not important. Okay, so this is not a mover, but I'd like to point out that this is a very nice chart. Support at 340, still intact. Excuse me. And then we notice that ADX is at 33. Okay, so let's see what happens tomorrow if this will continue to go up. Okay, okay. Next up is one of the favorite ng mga lahat ng tao, FHEN. Okay, okay, FHEN. Ano ba nangyari sa FHEN? Okay, so nag-correct, di ba? Last week, kala natin dire-diretso na from this breakout point. From this little breakout point, it went all the way up to 2.8. 89. That's a 33% move. Okay, so natural lang na mag-correct. Okay, so nag-correct siya pababa. Okay, so nag-correct siya pababa. So ngayon, nagko-consolidate siya. Okay, so ngayon, nagko-consolidate siya ulit. Making a new one here. So this is medyo range bound because you see the MACD cross down, but momentum is still there. So what will happen here? It might form another, well, the difference is dito hindi nag-cross down yung MACD, and then dito sa latter part, you see MACD crossing down, which is indicating that this move will go sideways. So this might stay in this range for quite a bit, maybe 4 weeks here, 246 until 280. That's a big range, so you can range trade it if you want. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabi na bababa na siya because anytime this can move up above scenario 1, breakout tomorrow, scenario 2, breakdown, of course, go to the breakdown to the support or breakdown to the 50-day. Hindi natin i-rule out yung worst possible scenario because we are just chartists here and price is king. So anong dinidictate ng price, yun ang susundin natin. So I can't really say, akit na to. I can't really say na, oy, sure ako babagsak to. Okay? So just based on the technicals, it's going to be on a sideways consolidation with the bigger range. So ito yung in-expect natin bago umakyat, if ever, umakyat siya. Okay? Did I miss anything else? Let's just check the movers for today. Winners, losers, FLI, up 8%, right? GSMI, tinatakal ko yan. Nasa list natin. Ayala Land Logistics, nandyan din ulit. Okay, besides that, wala na akong nasa list ko. Okay? One more thing. Gusto ko discuss. FGEN, okay? This is in momentum mode also. Boom. Grabe, 22 to 26. Okay? Itong month lang, 23 to 26. Okay? So what we can, ito, take away natin dito, ADX is at 46. So, ang lakas na ng momentum niya. Okay? So, for entry point was here, entry point was here, entry point here, entry point here. Okay? So, ngayon, nag-surge na siya the other day, kahapon lang, 25 to 26.4. So, top gainer rin siya the other day. So, for stock like FGEN, ang lakas gumalaw nito because yung mga ibang stock hindi naman ganito gumalaw like yung mga peers niya, di ba? So, this nag-pause today. Nag-pause today dito. So, tomorrow it might continue if it breaks the high of 26.45. So 26.50 is the breakout point tomorrow, but we'll see what happens there. So yeah, so that is dami gumalaw. So medyo mahaba yung midweek update natin. For the premium guys, I'll see you guys on Sunday so we can discuss all our picks again and consolidate all the ADX picks that we have, and then plan it out again kung anong gagawin natin for the week. As of the midweek update, those are the stocks that move. Oh, okay. Lastly, sorry. Ito pala. ABA. Okay. It moved also on Monday. Okay. So, last. Boom. Momentum going straight. Nag-shoot up from 20 to 40. Okay? 38. Okay, so anong ito? Ang bilis ako. So, na-notice ko rin na volume picked up here when lumabas yung ADX, lumabas yung volume, sabay-sabay paakyat. So, late na ako nakapasok because I was able to just buy it here when I saw the ADX moving up. Okay, here. ADX is 90 here. 19. And then I picked up some shares here at 75, which is the momentum mode. Ito yung pullback sa sinasabi natin, but this is a little bit trickier to enter because it's coming from a reversal move. Okay. But as you can see, there's a lot of volume involved, and then we see may foreign buyer na bumibili. So, curious ako doon. So when it pulled back here at 68 area, itong nag-trigger dito sa 70, dito ako bumili. And then one more entry point when it paused here, entered at 75. Okay, so yun. So those are the movers. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped you guys, and sana na-explain ko yung mga ibang questions nyo on why it moved and what to do after, or anong ina-expect nyo after ng mga moves na yun. Okay, so that's it. That's a wrap for our midweek charting. Premium members, I'll see you on Sunday. Good luck for the next 2 trading days. I hope we make money. We make more money sana. That's it. Bye.